channel. Okay, so today I decided to drink some coffee. I don't too much like coffee for real because it's too sweet, too much caffeine. It's horrible for you. But I'm trying Ellianos today. So as you can see, I got the caramel. What I got?
Caramel freeze.
I got the caramel freeze, and I also have the cookies and
That's
baby.
Mocha. No, yeah, that's it.
And I also have the cookies and cream freeze also. And my husband got the Mocha freeze. I'm gonna try his Mocha freeze, and I'm gonna do a product review. I'm gonna try my cookies and cream freeze and do a product review. And then I'm gonna try my caramel freeze, do a product review. Let's see how it tastes. And as you can see, I already been drinking out of it. As you can see right here, it tastes so fucking good. My husband got me drinking it. You know what? When I was pregnant, he had me drinking it too. It's so good, so delicious. Let me smell it. All right, so with the smell, I give it a 10 out of 10. With the taste, I give it a 10 out of 10. And with the presentation, I give it a 10 out of 10. Alright, so I'm going to try the cookies and cream one. Which one you got for both of yours? You got white mocha for both?
White mocha, regular mocha.
Alright, so this is the cookies and cream freeze. I'm going to try this out. The smell, I give it a 10 out of 10. Can't really smell it with the lid on though, but it smells good. I can just suck all of it up. Now with the taste, I give it a 10 out of 10. And with the presentation, I give it a 10 out of 10. So that's white mocha you got, and you got what? What else? Regular mocha. You can just take one little sip of your white mocha, so I can do a review. But I know how the white mocha tastes. The white mocha tastes really good. But I'm just gonna take like a sip. My husband don't want to give me none.
No, Larry.
White mocha tastes really good. I was actually gonna get me a white mocha because it tastes so good, and I remember tasting it last time. Here you go, baby. So you want me to see it now? It tastes so fucking good. You want me to move mine and then you put yours right there? You put it right there. But yeah, the white mocha, the smell 10 out of 10, the taste 10 out of 10. And the presentation 10 out of 10, baby. Now, I don't really drink coffee, but it's gonna make me start drinking coffee now. Oh, it's so good, so delicious. Oh, it's so delicious. Which one is my favorite? The caramel mocha, the caramel freeze, or the cookies and cream freeze, or the white mocha freeze? I say the white mocha freeze. The one my husband chose. He got the white mocha freeze, and he also got what, the regular mocha freeze or the chocolate mocha?
It's mocha.
Just mocha.
It's chocolate.
So he got a mocha freeze, just regular chocolate mocha freeze, and he also got a mocha freeze, white mocha freeze. So he got white and chocolate mocha freeze, and I got caramel freeze, and I got cookies and cream freeze. But my favorite is, of course, the white mocha freeze, because it tastes so good. Ooh, and I was finna get that one too, but I want to try this. So I guess whenever my husband and me go back, we are going to get I'm gonna get the white mocha freeze. Most definitely. I'm gonna get the white mocha freeze. I'm getting caramel freeze, because it tastes so delicious. Yes, it tastes good. Ooh, excuse me. So my coffee drinkers, Ellianos. Do you go to Ellianos? Do you enjoy going to Ellianos? Do you like Ellianos? Do it taste good at Ellianos? Do you like the customer service at Ellianos? Leave that down in the comments down below. Also, what is your favorite drink from Ellianos? Comment that down below and let me know. Yeah. And let me know if you recommend any other drink that I should get from Ellianos. Just comment that down below. Yeah, so yeah, that's delicious. So I'm gonna get back to my drink. This like a little small tiny little mukbang / product review. You know, it tastes so good in my mouth. It tastes like heaven in my mouth. You know how when you licking some, sucking on some, eat some, and it just tastes so good. It's just ooh, it just tastes it just have your mouth watering up like anyways, all right, thank y'all so very much for watching my video to the very last end. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so